Hey, what's up everybody? So I decided to make a video, first time ever making a video on my Charger. It's a 3.6 liter V6 2016 Charger SXT. I got a Misfire PO302. As you can see, here's the coil. I'm gonna get to that in a little bit. So I got the code 302, and it's dusty. I drive on the dirt road to work, so yeah, kind of hard to keep clean. So I got a PO 302, and started troubleshooting it. Try to find something on YouTube, help pinpoint the issue. Didn't really find nothing. Everything had to do with this basic stuff. So this time it ended up being this coil here. But this coil right now is in piston 5. It used to be in number 2. That's why I got that 302. So what I ended up doing, initially I replaced all the spark plugs, because that's the first thing I heard to do. I thought I fixed it. Ended up not fixing it. So I grabbed the coil from the number 2, put it in number 5, for the reason of it being just easier to access right there, because that's the only one you can access without having to remove all the intake and all that. It's a lot of work to get to 2, 4, and 6 on this side. So sure enough, I drove it. It was still kind of jerking a little bit here and there. I could feel it, and finally it triggered the PO305. So pretty much verifying that it was this here. So upon removing it, I also found that, if you see here real close, there's an arc burn on the boot. I realized that this coil's probably good. I probably could just get the boot and have a good coil, but either way, I just wanted to show everybody that this coil boot is what gave me that misfire, and I just thought I'd share it so everybody could check that before doing anything. And yeah, this is my setup right here, and that is it. Other than that, yeah, it's dirty like I said, but all I've been focusing on is trying to fix the car, not washing it. But now that I have it on the grass, it's probably what I'll do. Either way, so that's it. Misfire caused by escaping arc right there. Alright, that's it. Not sure what else to say, but that's what fixed it. Alright, see you guys.